everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to finally get my December monthly overview page here in my Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner set up. I have not done this yet. I have done my December budget, but now I need to lay down this for my budget planner. I have all my stickers here. I did just launch these monthly overview stickers, which I'm really excited to use this month. They're in my Etsy shop. So this one is the monthly overview, and then I have just coordinating bill due stickers. Just real quick before I start, I also have them up for January. So here's January's floral pattern, and then January's leopard pattern, and then February has a cute leopard pattern, and then also February's floral pattern. So I do have those up in my Etsy shop right now if you wanted to get your monthly overview kits, but we're going to go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to start laying down the stickers. I'll probably fast forward through some of this so you guys don't have to watch the whole time, but I'm just going to start laying these down. Now, one thing I did change, because I just made these, December was kind of my trial and error. Rather than doing the cursive white font for the days of the week, I ended up doing the black kind of neutral font. Rather than the cursive, it kind of seemed to stand out a little better. So that was one change that I made in my January and February kits. But I really love how these kits turned out. And then they match, obviously, my budget stickers that coordinate for that same month as well. Okay, so there are my top two thick washies, and then the kits also come with these two thin washies, which you will put right down here. Just to, you might have, whether you have a colorful planner like I do, or you have the neutral, it will just kind of wash out or cover up that whatever pattern is back there to go a little bit better with my theme. And then I did leave the notes sidebar over here with, just so that you can use it how you want, because I know a lot of people do different things with those, so I didn't want to make something to cover that up. So you can kind of use that how you see fit. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly lay down these three holiday scripts. So I have Christmas Eve, which Christmas Eve this year is on Tuesday. So I'm going to lay down Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day is obviously the very next day, which falls on a Wednesday. For my full-time job, I will get off, I will have both Tuesday and Wednesday off, so that's kind of exciting. And then we have New Year's Eve, which falls on a Tuesday. So there I have my main holiday scripts. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down all of these date dot covers. I will fast forward through this part though, so you don't have to sit here and watch me go through every single one of these. Alright, I hate how tedious putting on date dot covers are, but I love the way it turns out. Another change that I did from December's kit is I felt like there was a lot of blue going on with the date dot covers matching the background from here. So for the other kits, I changed the color of the date dots so that it didn't, you know, it wasn't so closely related to the color from the days of the week headers. So that is a change that I did for the January and February kits. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started laying down my paydays and my bill due stickers. All of the stickers that I'm using are in my Etsy shop. So if you see one that you absolutely love, you can go check that out. It is in the description below. I'm first going to start with my normal full-time job. So this is the second part of the monthly overview kit. you have 20 Bill Due stickers, then you also have 12 little kind of expense stickers, and you have 8 payday script stickers. I'm going to go ahead and lay these down. I get paid every Friday from my full-time job, so I'm going to lay these down to signify the days that I get paid for my full-time job. And then my part-time job has been coming in on Wednesdays. Now I will not be getting it that Wednesday, but I am going to get it on these 3 Wednesdays here. And actually, I highly doubt it'll come through that day, but it will probably come through on the 26th since that's Christmas. And then the next payday that I'm going to do is Etsy. I made special Etsy payday stickers from my shop. So Etsy comes through every Monday. So last month for November there were 5 Fridays, so I got 5 paydays for my full-time job. And now December there are 5 Mondays, so there will be 5 paydays from Etsy. So having an extra payday in the month is always a nice little surprise. So there are all of my Etsy paydays, and then the last one that I do is YouTube. So YouTube comes in on the 21st of every month, but because the 21st is a Saturday, I'm going to assume that it will come through on the 23rd. So I'm going to lay it down there, and if that's not the case, then it'll be somewhere around that region. YouTube is, you get paid from Google AdSense, which comes through from the previous month's views. So there are all of my paydays set up. Now I'm going to go through and just kind of start putting in my bill due stickers. So let me find my marker, my pen here. So the first one I'm going to do is rent. My rent is $200 a month. And that is due on the 1st. Here we go. Which is a Sunday, so I'm actually going to move this one to the 2nd. So we'll put that there. Next is my credit card, which is Capital One. That one is $120, the minimum payment. That is also due on the 1st, so we're going to move that to the 2nd. Next is cable. I have Hulu, and the minimum or the monthly payment is $49, and that one comes out on the 4th. So we'll lay that one right there. My car payment is $612, and that is actually due on the 29th, which is a Sunday, so I'm going to move it to the previous Friday, the 27th. Next is car insurance, which is $80, and that is on the 15th. That's a Sunday, so I'm going to move that to the previous Friday. Phone bill is $112, and that one is due on the 6th. And then I'm going to fill in the rest that I don't have icon stickers for. So I have One Main, which is a personal loan debt I have. That's $305, and that one is due on the 20th. I love how the bill due stickers for this kit kind of match the colors with it, so that's kind of nice. And then I have Apple, which is $27, which will go on the 16th. And then my kids' school is $70, and that always comes out right around the beginning of the month. I'm going to put it down on this Tuesday, the 3rd. And then my daughter's tumbling comes out right about the same time for $65. So I'll just put that right up here. And then I think that's it. It's crazy how when you start to get debt paid off, how you feel like you should have way more payments than this, and then you don't. So let me make sure I got all this. I have my car payment, my one main, and my credit card. Those are my 3 debts. I have tumbling, school, rent, TV, phone, car insurance, and Apple. Yeah, that's it. Pretty easy. So there you have it. That is my monthly overview for the month of December. Now I am all ready to go for the month. If you're interested in any of the stickers I use, the monthly overviews for December or January or February, or any of these stickers, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!